Welcome to Fire Alarm Test 16, Peace and Quiet. Now, I'm not even going to use hearing protection for this test because this is going to be the quietest system test I've ever done. So, let's begin. Right here, I have an EST Genesis remote chime. It's super quiet. Probably one of the quietest devices in my collection. I have a chime strobe version of this. I also have a chime too, so I have two different Genesis chimes to top it off. And over here, I have a Gentex Commander 3 remote strobe in white, and as you can tell, it's obviously just a strobe, flashes only. And this one came from a building of some kind. Now, this one is not in the best condition, as there's so much paint inside to where the mounting bracket is. If I take this beauty plate off. But it's functional, which is the good news. I have a horn strobe version of this that I used in a previous test before. Anyways, that's my hearing protection right there, and I'm not even going to put it on. So, if you have epilepsy, please don't watch this, as this light will be flashing, and maybe turn your volume down just a little bit, because this won't be as loud this time, but still might be slightly loud, but I can probably handle it without my hearing protection, which is why I'm not wearing it. But anyways, let's get started. Well, here we go. You can hear the strobe clicking. It's set on 110 candela, which I forgot to mention at the beginning. As you can see, my hand's literally covering the strobe, and it's still flashing pretty well, even with my hand on it. But these still shouldn't be obstructed. I'm actually kind of surprised that this is even functioning, because it came out of a building and the mounting bracket was very painted. And it wasn't in the best condition, and it is a little bit yellowed as well. Alright, that is actually about going to do it for this fire alarm test. I hope you all enjoyed, and stay tuned for more.